Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm doing a quick dessert here for Thanksgiving, last minute dessert. And I'm using cake mix. Yes, I am. Cake mix. Box Cake Kenny, pull up. Y'all know I go to this store, Amazing Cakes in Houston, Texas. And they have a cake mix in there that's absolutely amazing. All you need is 3 ingredients. The cake mix, oil, and milk. It's the best cake mix I ever tasted in my life, y'all. And I don't use a lot of cake mixes, but it's better than some homemade cakes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a double layer. Plus, I'm gonna do my old school pineapple frosting, or glaze, or however you're gonna say it, to go on top. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the cake done. It's very simple. Don't need no mixer. Like I said, all it is milk or water, oil or butter. I'm using milk. And I'm doing this by hand, y'all. I'm not even gonna use a mixer. We're gonna do this real old school. We'll just mix this by hand, y'all. So I'm gonna mix this by hand. Give me some exercise here, y'all. Give me some exercise. Alrighty. Mixed up good here. That's 5 minutes, 2 minutes then. Alright, got this mixed up really good. Move this to the side, cause that's for my icing. Okay. Gonna put this here in the, like I said, I'm doing a double layer, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is the best cake mix I ever tasted in my life. You get it right here in Amazing Cakes, right here on Bel Air and Hillcroft, right here in Houston. So we'll get this one in here. Try to get it even as I can. No, I don't measure, y'all. I just kind of eye it. It don't matter. It don't matter to me. I'm old school, y'all. I just eye this thing. Okay. And we're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, about 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Once we come back, we're going to put the ice and get it ready. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. We're going to move y'all over here. And we're going to make this glaze for this. I don't know if you call it glaze. It's going to be more of a frosting than a glaze, y'all. Very simple, y'all. You got crushed pineapples. I'm going to put a little pineapple juice in here. We're going to put some butter, sugar, vanilla. Tighten it up. And we got a pineapple glaze. A little pineapple juice in there. Got that going a little bit more, y'all. Here we go. Put some vanilla in here. We'll get some butter and put in here. Then we're going to put some sugar in here. And we're going to let this come to a boil. We're going to tighten it up with some arrowroot. Hold on just a second, y'all. We're going to tighten it up with some sugar in here, y'all. About 1.5 cups, because this pineapple can be bitter sometimes. Tighten it up with some cornstarch. I keep saying arrowroot. With cornstarch. And let it kind of cool a little. We're going to frost the cake. Gonna be old school pineapple cake, y'all. Can't get no better than that. So anyway, we'll be back when this comes to a boil. Alright, y'all. We are back here. Alright, y'all. All we're going to do now is boiling. We're going to put a little cornstarch in here, y'all, and thicken it up. Let that cornstarch let this come to a complete ball. Get the whole strength of the cornstarch and turn it down just a little. Look at that, y'all. Look at that beautiful pineapple glaze there. Now, as this cools, y'all, it's definitely gonna thicken more. So I don't want to make it too much thicker than this. A little bit more cornstarch. Oh yeah. That should do it right there, y'all. Now the cake is still in the oven, but like I said, I gotta let this kind of sit up here. I gotta let the cake cool, of course. Then we're gonna let this cool, of course, so we can put the two together. Cause if I was doing it in a regular pan, I'd pour this hot stuff on the hot cake and let it soak in. But since I'm doing like a 2-layer, where I gotta spread it on there, I gotta let the cake and this cool. Look at that beautiful pineapple glaze. See how quick that was to make? Don't get no easier than that, does it? So anyway, we'll be right back once the cake is ready. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, I got the cakes out the oven. Like I said, y'all, I gotta let these cool completely right here on the counter. And we're gonna come back once they cool. And we're gonna ice these up and see how they taste. I did the bundt cake, vanilla cake batter, but I never did them in the pan like this. So we're gonna see how they turn out once they cool. Like I say, ice and cool a little over here. Old school pineapple cake the easy way, Thanksgiving style. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, we're gonna put this frosting on this cake here, icing, however you say it. Let it cool a little. I'm gonna just put it in here just like this. Got a fly in my kitchen, y'all. In the winter time, y'all. Unbelievable. I like a lot of icing in between the layers, y'all. Definitely like that. All right, let's flip this other one in here. Put this one on there. How easy is this, huh, y'all? How easy is this? Put on here. Just like my mama used to do. Just let it fall where it may, y'all. Let it fall where it may. Look at that, look at that, look at that goodness, y'all. I'm just gonna go around the edges here. Go around the edges, kind of pick it up a little because it's gonna flow off. A little bit more on there. On the edges there. Like that. How easy is this, y'all? How easy is this, huh? How easy is this? So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here and I'm gonna finish icing this cake here. I'm gonna let it set up a little. We're gonna come back. We're gonna cut it. I'm curious how this cake mix is with this frosting here. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here. Nice pineapple cake right here, y'all. Nice pineapple cake. See the nice layer in there with the pineapple between it. There's only one way to find out if they did a good job on that cake mix with the double layer. Oh my God, y'all, I can feel it already. I can feel it already coming good. Look at this here, y'all. Look at this, going in. Oh, wow. Wow, y'all, this is so good. Oh, wow. Look at that. It definitely makes a good layer cake, y'all. It definitely makes a good layer cake. Now I got a recipe. If I want a cake in a hurry, now I know where to go, what to do. Get the amazing cake man. Hey, it's on. Oh, that's good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.